afternoon, students. Today our topic is let us assess. Let us do first question number 1. Cost of 10 teddy bears is rupees 505. What is the cost of 2 such teddy bears? So for that, first we will take out cost of 1 teddy bear, and then we will take out cost of 2 such teddy bears. Means we have to multiply it by 2. So this can be done in this way. Cost of 10 teddy bears equal to rupees 505. Cost of 1 teddy bear equal to rupees 505 divided by 10, so that is equal to rupees 50.5, and cost of 2 teddy bears equal to rupees 50.5 into 2, that is equal to, in rough column you can multiply 505 into 2. So that will come as rupees 1010. So from one digit from right hand side and then you put a dot. So final answer is rupees 101. Okay. Coming to question number 2. Coming on to question number 2. Question number 2 is very simple. The question is, Tanmay earns rupees 1840 in a week. How much will he earn in the month of February of leap year if he works on all days of the month? So here, earning in 1 week equal to rupees 1840. So earning in 1 day. So earning in 1 day equal to rupees 1840 by 7. Now February has how many days in a leap year? So leap year, in leap year February has 29 days. This we have to remember. So earning in 1 day is this much. So earning in 29 days equal to rupees 1840 by 7 into 29. Okay, this much rupees. Okay, so let us solve this. First we will divide this by 7. 7 2s are 14. 4 4 7s. Okay, this is 7 2s are 14. 7 6 are 42. 20. So it will be again 7 2s are 40. 7 2s are 14, and then 20 means 6 is remaining. So 7 8 are 56. Okay, so let us multiply it. So actually after solving this, I have actually solved it through a long division method and I got answer as 262.85. So this only I am going to write here, rupees 262.85 into 29. So now what we will do, we will do the multiplication. So 26285 into 29. 9 5s are 45, carry 4. 9 8s are 72 plus 4, 76, carry 7. 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 25, carry 2. 9 6 are 54 plus 2, 56, carry 5. 9 2s are 18 plus 5, 23. Let us put across. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 6 2s are 12, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Let us add 5, 6, 12, 12, 6 and 7. So the answer is rupees 7622.65. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Let us move to number 5 question. Question number 3, 4, please try it yourself. Now let us read question number 5. At a village weekly market, Jagdish bought jaggery and sold the whole jaggery in his shop at the rate of rupees 9 and 50 paise per kg. This is the question, you can see here. How much jaggery did he buy in all if he sold it for rupees 1045? So first of all, we have to know that in 1 kg jaggery he is selling and he got an amount of rupees 9 and 50 paise. Okay. So we can write here selling price of 1 kg jaggery. Selling price of 1 kg jaggery equal to rupees 9 and 50 paise. Next is how much jaggery he buys in all if he sold it for rupees 1045. So you see this statement we can write in the opposite way. How to write? In rupees 9.50 amount of jaggery sold, amount of jaggery sold equal to 1 kg. So in rupees 1 amount of jaggery sold equal to 1 by 9.50. That is equal to 1.00 by 9.50 equal to this point and this point went. So it is 100 by 950. Again this is equal to, this 2 zeros went away. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 19s are. So 2 by 19 is the amount of jaggery sold on rupees 1. Now the question is how much did he buy in all if sold it for rupees 1045. So in this case you will write in rupees 1045 amount of jaggery sold. In rupees 1045 amount of jaggery sold equal to 2 by 19 into 1045. So let us divide and check. 19 5s are 95. 104 minus 95 is 9. 95. 95 95 again 19 5s are 95. So your answer will be rupees 110. So in rupees, sorry, it is not rupees, it is amount na. So 110 kg. So in rupees 1045 amount of jaggery sold equal to 110 kg.